Are you ready to discover a simple, natural way to boost your weight loss journey? Lemon balm is an incredible herb, known for its calming effects and digestion-boosting properties. In today's video, we'll guide you through making a delicious lemon balm tea and show you how to easily incorporate it into your daily routine for effective results. Lemon balm isn't just soothing, it's packed with benefits that can support your weight loss journey. It reduces stress, helping to curb emotional eating, supports healthy digestion, improves your sleep for a better metabolism, and helps control cravings naturally. Let's explore how you can make this wonderful herb a part of your day. Now let's make our lemon balm tea. Start by boiling 2 cups of water. Add a handful of fresh or dried lemon balm leaves and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. You can enhance the flavor with a squeeze of lemon juice or a drizzle of honey, but remember to keep it light. Strain your tea and you can enjoy it warm or chilled depending on your mood. To get the most out of lemon balm, it's important to make it a part of your daily routine. Start your day with a cup of lemon balm tea to reduce stress and set a positive tone for the day. Have it in the afternoon to aid digestion and keep those midday cravings at bay. Finally, drink it before bed to relax, improve your sleep, and support a healthy metabolism overnight. These small steps can lead to big changes when combined with your weight loss efforts. Lemon balm tea is a simple, natural addition to your lifestyle that can make a big difference. Small, consistent steps, like adding this tea to your daily routine, can lead to lasting success. Take control of your journey and enjoy the benefits of better digestion, reduced cravings, and restful sleep. Ready to start using lemon balm tea in your routine? Try this recipe today and see how it supports your weight loss journey. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with friends, and subscribe